What if the future of action cameras wasn't just sharper, but smarter? Today, DJI just rewrote the rulebook, and the Osmo Action 6 might be the boldest leap we've seen in years. From a brand new sensor to next-level stabilization, this is everything you need to know about DJI's biggest action cam upgrade yet. DJI's biggest headline is right at the heart of the camera, a custom 1.11-inch square CMOS sensor with a variable aperture. It's the largest sensor ever put into a DJI action cam. That means more detail, more dynamic range, and incredibly rich exposure even in challenging light. The Osmo Action 6 pushes visuals further with 13.5 stops of dynamic range and a massive 155-degree field of view. Shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, or crank it to 4K at 120 in 4:3 for ultra-fluid slow motion. Want flexibility? DJI's new 4K custom mode lets you film once and crop to any aspect ratio later. Shaky footage? Forget it. DJI packs in RockSteady 3.0, RockSteady 3.0 Plus, Horizon Balancing, and Horizon Steady, all working together to make your clips look like they were shot on a gimbal. Even during intense movement, the horizon stays locked, level, and cinematic. Inside, the familiar 1,950 mAh battery returns, delivering up to 4 hours of runtime. And if you're in a rush, fast charging can take you from 0 to 80% in just 22 minutes. For creators on the go, the Action 6 packs 50 gigabytes of internal storage, gesture controls, and intelligent subject tracking. It's waterproof to 20 meters right out of the box and supports 2 DJI microphone transmitters for clean, broadcast-ready audio. Up front is a bright 1.46-inch OLED screen paired with a 2.5-inch rear display reaching up to 800 nits. Whether you're vlogging, framing underwater, or filming in harsh sunlight, both screens stay crisp and visible. DJI offers 2 bundles at launch. The standard combo starts at €379 and includes the camera and essential accessories. For serious adventurers, the €479 Adventure Combo adds extra batteries, a charging cradle, an additional mount, and DJI's 1.5-meter extension stick. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is more powerful, more flexible, and more creator-ready than ever before. So, are you ready to level up your next adventure?